Hi everyone, I am Tiffany Rosenbaum, and I don't know if you guys know this, but the average millionaire has 7 streams of income. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how I plan to make this year a profitable year by diversifying my income. But first things first, I want to talk about my background. I have family home, so I'm filming downstairs in my office and the lighting is terrible. I am sitting in front of some of my inventory, so a little sneak peek into what part of my inventory looks like right here behind me. Also, I'm going to ask you guys for help because I recently got a GoPro Hero 7 and I'm filming in 4K and I cannot for the life of me figure out how to get it off of widescreen. So if you guys have a GoPro and you know how to do that, or if it's even possible, can you please let me know in the comments? I have tried Googling it, YouTubing it to no avail. So I think it just might be quicker if any of you know, if you could just tell me, please, maybe? All right, let's go ahead and get started. So again, like I said, this video is going to be about diversifying your income. And if you don't know what diversifying your income means, it just means having your money or your income come from multiple different places other than just one thing. Like for most people, that basically means their full-time job. That's one stream of income. A lot of people have side hustles, which could be a second stream of income, but the average millionaire has 7. And so I have a plan this year to bring up my number of streams of income, and I want to talk about that today. So the importance of diversifying your income. Some of you may have heard diversifying your portfolio when it comes to investments, and this is kind of a similar strategy. And so the reason why you would want to do something like that is if something happens to you, you're prepared. The goal is to have residual forms of income so that you can make money without having to physically put work in all the time. And so if you get sick or you have an accident or somebody in your family falls ill, then you can still have income coming in, and that's one less thing that you have to worry about. And if you are able to work in that time, then just go ahead and put that extra money in a nest hole or an investment or whatever it is that you and your situation and your family feel is best to do with your money to make your money work better for you. Also, a good reason to do this, much like it would be for your portfolio, is if one of your streams of income is doing poorly, or say you do work a 9-to-5 or full-time job, 40-hour-a-week job, and you get laid off for a week or two, you're not going to be struggling for money. So if something, one of your streams is doing a little bit lower, then you have the other ones to back you up so that you are staying afloat during the hard times for that particular stream of income. So there are a couple of different streams of income that you can have, and I'm going to talk about some of the ones that I plan on implementing this year and in the coming years. And so I plan to kind of focus on 1 or 2 things every month or two just to get them going, and then build upon them as the year progresses. And so for the month of January, I'm going to be focusing on affiliate marketing. And if you're not familiar with what affiliate marketing is, it is where you work with other companies or other brands, and you either basically you promote their products and they give you a cut of the sales that you get from those products, and you just use links, and you can share those customized links with your friends, your family, and your videos on your website and your email list, those types of things. And when people click on them, you get a percentage of money. And so that is what I plan to focus on in the month of January, is getting my affiliate marketing started. I had dabbled with it a little bit before with Amazon affiliate marketing, and I really didn't take it too seriously. And with Amazon, they do cut you off if you don't have any sales within, I think, 3 months. And so I didn't really push it. I had a lot of other things going on, and so they did cut me off. So I'm going to reapply for that, as well as do some other brands that I support, that I use, that I think would be beneficial to my audience using as well. And so those things you'll see coming up in the next couple of months or even this month, and then I can start building my revenue that way with an income stream, because I just post a link once, or whenever I post a video, quick copy paste, and then they pay me as people watch the videos. And so that's going to be a great stream of income that I really won't have to think about once I get it set up. Some other streams of income that I do plan on incorporating in the following year is growing my YouTube channel better and getting monetized, and that way I can have money coming from Google AdSense. And so I am nowhere near the requirements to be monetized, but I do plan on strategically working on my YouTube this year, being more consistent and just scheduling the YouTube time so that I can get monetized and that I can grow my channel, because growing my channel will also grow the affiliate marketing aspect of that as well. And some of the ways that I plan on also growing not just my subscribers and my watch time, but also making better content, making more content, editing better, but that is something that I have to learn. And so also scheduling that time to learn those things so that I can show up better for you and for myself as well. I do also want to focus more on Instagram. As of right now, I'm not really present on Instagram. I have an account. It's more of a personal account, and I have maybe 5 posts on there. And so I do want to start growing more of a professional Instagram page and try and look into monetizing that as well. And I also want to start promoting my videos on other avenues like Pinterest, Instagram, like I said, maybe even TikTok. I'm not convinced on that one yet. But other avenues like that. And this next one pertains to reselling, but just cross-posting more. I do have a video about cross-posting and what that is, how it's beneficial coming up, so stay tuned for that in the upcoming weeks if you're interested in that. But I do plan on cross-posting more of my reselling items, and that will also bring my income up as far as reselling inventory and sales goes. I want to start looking into more digital products, and so what that is, or what that can look like for me, is I want to maybe create some printables, maybe write an ebook, those kind of avenues. Maybe some presets or some worksheets that people can use for reselling or growing their business. I did create a YouTube content planner, but that one is a physical one. Actually, I have a sample right here. I created this planner, and if you're wanting to grow your YouTube, it's got all sorts of trackers and things that you can plan your videos. And so I will have these for sale. While this is not a digital product, I will have them for sale as well. I will post the link to buy those down below if you're interested in something like that. They will be affordable and greatly helpful, but nothing too fancy, pretty basic. So I may even look into the future at creating more physical products if this one does well. I may even look into the future, probably not this year, but in years to come, maybe doing some courses, like some online courses where, you know, I can teach people online, as well as doing some live trainings that people can sign up for as well. And the last thing that I want to focus on this year to help grow my revenue stream, and this is a little bit more indirect but still very important, I feel, is to grow an email list. If you guys don't know, like, YouTube's not mine, Facebook's not mine, social media's not mine, TikTok's not mine. It's not anybody's. It's the owners of the companies. And so they can shut down at any moment's notice. eBay can completely cancel my store, and then I'm out that avenue of income. But when I grow an email list, all of that is mine. I hold it. If I make a website, that is mine. You know, I don't have to worry about getting shut down by somebody else. So if I have an email list, like I said, it's indirect, but I will still be able to reach out to all of my followers via email should something go wrong on any other platform. So with all of these things that I plan on working on during the year that will bring me income, a lot of it residual income, I do plan on focusing, like I said, some per month, but then it'll become a habit. It'll become easier to do. I won't need to think about it so hard, and it'll just become regular, and then I will just keep it going throughout the year as I know how to do it, and it'll just flow better. I do eventually plan on hiring help. I'm not sure if that'll be this year or the coming years. And originally I was thinking that I would hire help for my business, but I actually was watching Harry Tornado's video last night, and he said that you should hire help for your house and not your business, because then you don't have to worry about filing all these forms for having an employee, paying an employee, having the taxes and all of that, because if you hire help for your house, you're cleaning, babysitting, that type of thing, cooking, then you don't have to pay them as an employee for your business. You don't have to worry about all of the tax headaches with that. And then that also leaves you more time to work on your business. So I might go that avenue versus hiring help for the business, just because I hate housework. I mean, I do it, but I hate it. So maybe we'll go that route. But again, I don't know if that'll be this year, but definitely sometime in the future. And again, like I said, this month's focus is going to be affiliate marketing. So I do plan on posting updated videos coming in the year, giving you an update on how each particular item is going, you know, the growth of my YouTube, how my affiliate marketing is doing, when I start to make money for that, how much AdSense will pay me when I get monetized, you know, maybe a recap of how much extra sales I'm getting when I am cross-listing my items. So I will plan on updating you guys as well on that. So if you like this content, please feel free to subscribe, share with your friends. I have some other cool things in the works coming up as well for some inspiration for you guys. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks.